Goldman Sachs just dropped a bomb. 300 million jobs, gone by 28. That's not a prediction anymore. That's a warning. McKinsey studied 800 companies last month. 50% of white-collar work. Automated. Not in 2035. By 2028, 4 years. Microsoft integrated GPT-4 into Excel last year. One prompt replaced entire analyst teams at Morgan Stanley. 19 analysts, one AI system. Done. Google's new AI agents can now code, test, and deploy software autonomously. Software engineers are watching their salary brackets collapse in real time. Your job title might not exist in 48 months. Not because you failed, because your role got cheaper, faster, better. The companies replacing you right now are not startups. J.P. Morgan, Amazon, Goldman Sachs, IBM, they are moving today, not planning for tomorrow. This is not hype, this is math. Your industry is being remapped. Your skills are being valued differently. Your leverage is shrinking. Start learning what machines cannot do yet. Build something they cannot replace. The window is closing. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input. Every day.